In one end and out the other. How do you do this?
Oh.
Here comes the boy. Hello, boy. Well.
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Giuk, Shambamaram, Tum, Socrates, Zuculini, Silvio Rodriguez, Viumba.
You want to share some of the rent money, babies? Oh, no. Can I have... Look, they're going to evict us. Give us some rent. I just want to... you little shit!
Ustedes de las perras que ladran y no muerden. Pues aquí está la primera mordida. Pues yo también soy perra.
Do a flip! Do a flip!
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
What in the dog witchcraft Elumi Baki is going on here?
What? No touch to belly?
However, everyone was being
Stole the pickle!
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! And his name is John C.
Damn, girl. I like your butt, G. Oh, really? Cool. Oh, really? I'm sorry.
Guys, check out my cat. I think there's something wrong with her, though. She's been making, like, weird sounds. Like, come on, let's go.
Miss, you want your makeup done? Oh, so pretty.
Where is my boy? My gentleman? There he is.
Who's that little piggy?
Every year I hear fireworks and I'm like, oh no, I hope my cat's not scared. And then I remember she's fucking stupid.
And they're both boys.
Hi.
Oh my goodness, Summer. You just dropped it.
No! What are you doing? Beans! What are you doing?
It's the alcohol.
Mario, no!
This is an alcoholic ass cat, man.
I know. Let's go for it. Ooh, 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 ooh.
I love this man, and I have to have him.
Excuse me, this is, we're not gonna die today. Thanks for trying, though.
Do you guys ever wonder what would happen if you gave your cat human food? Like, would it change? Here, take a bite of the sandwich. What do you think?
I think it's pretty good, yeah.
So recently we got a cat tower for our 2 cats, and they don't bother using it. But the pigeon! New favorite spot for him.
Oh, what the fuck? Are you getting up, dude?
You're gonna go.
Turn this off.
No, you're going to your own home if you keep traumatizing my cat.
I don't have no
Look at
problem
him.
doing that.
Look at him. He is traumatized.
He is traumatized.
Ой!
Что с тобой такое? Господь всемогущий. Get away from the vent. He fell in the vent. Oh my god. No. No, oh my god. Oh my god. Bill, come back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mom.
Every second you're not running, I'm only getting closer.
Hey, what are you doing in here? Leave him alone. He is baby. He is... Okay, well, if you're fighting him too, stop it. Oh, sweet Jesus.
He doesn't know whose tail it is.
Hey, yo, remember when you, hey, remember when you were, scratching on my door at 3 a.m. and meowing like someone was getting murdered? What's up?
Hi, baby. Yeah. What? Baby. Yes. Some monkey. And here's some monkeys.
Oh wow. Oh, we can walk right underneath him. Oh, okay. Oh. Look at the testicles on that thing.
No.
That's what she said. And you know what? What was that? Okay, Jane.
Okay, can we talk about the fact that, like...
But things can mimic that, so I'm just gonna try to take all that off.
Are you hungry?
Keeper.
Good got a trumpet, don't it?
Oh my goodness, you are just so adorable. Yes, you are. Makes it harder to get rid of you when we have to pull poop out of your bum. Oh my goodness. Yes, it does.
Kitty. Kitty on a cat. Kitty on a mat. Kitty on a car.
This is my evil cat, and this is my sweet little kitten. And you got this so rude. Like, look, stop.
Here comes the boy.
Water. Earth. Fire. Air. Have you ever heard a cat clap? Now you have.
Well, it looks like you're trained.
My daddy's got a BMW. Well, my daddy drives a Mercedes.
My father drives an Aston Martin. My papa drives a Rolls Royce. My dad drives a Ram 1500.
Oh, don't make fun of your cat.
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
I want waffle fries.